Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop, and let's move on to the video. Recently, companies such as Adidas, H&M and Nike said that they won't be purchasing cotton from Xinjiang region from China. And let me tell you in brief why they said that. Xinjiang is an autonomous region in China, also known as East Turkestan, where approximately 1.8 million Turki and Muslim majority peoples have been placed in detention camps, prisons and factories by the Chinese government. These people are forced to work for Chinese government. As you might know, China is the largest cotton producer in the world, of which 84% of its cotton comes from the Xinjiang region, where all these people are forced to work. Currently, many brands are stopping their business with Xinjiang region and asking Chinese government to improve their human rights situation in Xinjiang. And some of these companies are Adidas and H&M. Recently, BBC News also reported that women in Xinjiang are subjected to systematic rape, sexual abuse and torture. On that note, when these companies spoke out on stopping forced labor in Xinjiang, many Chinese celebrities posted statements against these brands and supported Chinese government. And one of those celebrities was also GOT7's Jackson, and after his statement, Jackson also got backlash from international fans for supporting China on sexual abuse, rape and torturing of Xinjiang Muslims. So what all of this has anything to do with Blackpink Lisa on Bazaar China removing her cover photos? Even though Blackpink Lisa has not made any statement on China's political situation, still her recent cover photo with Bazaar China magazine was scrapped from their socials. Netizens think that Lisa's cover photos were deleted because Blackpink member along with Lisa endorses Adidas and Adidas is making statement against China, which could have put Bazaar China in a difficult situation. Because currently Chinese people are also boycotting Adidas, H&M and Nike for making statement in favor of Xinjiang people. However, at this point, neither Bazaar China nor YG Entertainment has made any statement on removal of Lisa's cover photos. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications.